So there's the old little shed, all the new bits. Let's start putting it together. This box is your hinges and some of your smaller sliding sections. Everything's labelled up, all the screw sizes, these little circular things which are the latches, and some of the other stuff. That's the flooring, first section, and the screws down the centre. The back section in, then this lower side section, and they just slide into place. Just make sure you've got them the right way round, like that. Next back section going on. Get these two bits ready. They're going down the centre to hold the back in place. Make sure the long section's at the back. Is to pop these side pods on then, these top side bits, and it holds everything in place. Just do it steady, front and back gently, and make sure you get them level at the back here on both sides. You fit in the back strips, make sure that this lip is on the inside. You should see these screw holes here. Seems a bit odd, but it is correct. I've just checked it. You can fold out the cardboard to use for your doors so you don't scratch your doors. Get the cardboard out and start assembling the doors. Top two sections first, and don't over tighten the screws. When you're doing the doors and you're putting the bottom rail on, you sometimes have to pull this together because you'll get an unlevel door. I'm hoping I've done it correctly, we'll see later on. But make sure you pull these tight together before you tighten them up. Time for the lid. So they click under each other. The opposite sides click under, you have to flick them in, so we'll give that a go. So don't forget to always fix the round holes first and the slotted ones after. Sorry if I'm teaching you to suck eggs. It centralises itself then. So all the strengtheners are in, front edge, both sides, and now down the middle. Just put the rear hinges on now. You do need help putting the top on. You have to tighten those 6 screws and the 3 at each side, so you do need a bit of a hand just to hold that up and it stays up. Right, time to put handles on. Get the handles on here, fit them from behind, and then we'll see if it all lines up. Got a few bits left. I've missed a couple of screw holes in the corner which I'll put in. But basically this is it. That door goes fine. This one I just have to push it there because it's catching one of the screws. There you go, a bit fiddly, but let's bring the top down. Twins lock, bring that, put your padlock through, then put your last screws all around the base. I think that's quite a good effort. It took me 6 hours. Overall good instructions, quite clear actually. There's a bit at the back you can add a shelf and stuff. I don't need that, so I've got some bits left. Okay, if you like the video, if you like my channel, please subscribe. It just helps me motivate myself to do a few more for everybody. Take care and stay safe.